Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to clear ChatGPT memory. So all you need to do is to log into that specific account or your ChatGPT, and it's easy to clear memory. You just have to go to the right side and then look for ChatGPT settings. In the ChatGPT settings, you have to look for the personalization. So you have to scroll down here and then look for personalization. Click this one. And then below you will see manage memories. So all you need to do is tap on the manage right here. And all of the history of your ChatGPT will show up here. All you need to do is to click delete all. Now, if you clear ChatGPT's memory, here's what happens. All memories are deleted. Okay, anything they've remembered about you, preferences, projects, or details you asked will be erased. Forget personalization. ChatGPT won't recall your style, your interests, or the ongoing themes you've been working on. It will also delete conversations. So future chats will like starting fresh with no stored context from before. Your current conversation doesn't appear, only the long-term memory is cleared. You can rebuild new memory later. So if you want ChatGPT to remember things again, you can enable it and it will start fresh from there. It's basically like giving a clean slate. So these are the things that will happen once you clear ChatGPT memory. So if you want to proceed, then all you need to do is to just delete all. Now, here's the thing, you can also toggle off some of the option. So if I'm going to click this X right here, you have two buttons to turn off, but these are optional. For example, if you want to turn off this referensive memories, then you can do that. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.